Hello everyone, my name is Rodolfo and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 1.30 release team meeting. Today is March the 13th and we are in week 10 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. Thanks. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Let's see the open discussion items. I don't see anything else than the retrospective document. So if you want to add something that is wrong or you want to improve this cycle, please add those comments to the retrospective document and we can discuss that in that meeting. So we start with the updates with the enhancements team with Stream.
Yep. Hey everyone. The enhancement status is green. We don't have much updates after code freeze last week. Yeah, all the code freeze exceptions, like 10 of them were filed, 9 of them were approved, and 1 was cancelled. I believe this is the latest metrics. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Sounds good. Thanks for that update. Is there any question to the enhancement team? If not, we can continue with a release signal team with Mariam.
Yes, hello everyone. Our current status is yellow because of a few flaking tests that we are observing, 2 flake tests in master informing board and 1 in the master blocking board. But we are observing and following these ones, and that's about it.
Okay, great, thanks. Anything help that you need, please let us know on the Slack. Is there any question to the release signal team? If not, we can continue with the docs team with Celeste.
Sorry, I had to find the unmute button. So we are currently yellow. There's 7 PRs that require docs that are still in draft format, but this is fairly early on in this part of the release for docs, so that's about normal. If things are still in that state kind of by the end of next week or the 26th, that's when we're really going to start worrying. Currently, reminders are going out to all enhancement owners that they are required to have docs ready for review by the 26th. So it's yellow. It's not the worst. It's not the best. And I believe that is the update.
Thank you, Celeste. Is there anything, any question or comment for the docs team?
Yeah, I think so by Tuesday, March 26th, we'll actually want to have the reviews complete. So ready for review. We're gonna try to wrap that up this week.
Great, Drew. Sounds good. We can continue with the release notes team with Nina.
Yep. So our current status is yellow. The Alpha 3 PR is still in review. So there's still some open discussion and questions on that PR. And in other news, we're also reaching out to our assigned SIGs that haven't responded to the major themes thread.
Yeah, sorry for the delay or replying those comments. I replied those comments to go ahead with that pull request with the Alpha 3 nodes. So for continue to merge that pull request. We are almost done with that. Is there any question for Nina or release notes team? If not, we can continue with comms with Abigail.
Hello, everyone. So we are green. We published the mid-cycle blog yesterday, so that's live on the website if you want to check it out. We've also started to reach out to the feature blog authors about getting drafts written for the Ready for Review deadline, which is next Friday, March 22nd. And that is also KubeCon week, so we'll have to maybe possibly make some adjustments there. We have 9 feature blogs being tracked, and we are also starting work this week on the main blog that will go out with the release. So we have a draft started, and we're going to be dividing up the sections within the comms team to help write the actual blog. And that's it from us.
Excellent. Thanks, Abigail. 9 feature blogs are great. Is there any question or comment for comms? If not, we can continue with release branch management with Mija.
Hi everyone. So yes, nothing much. As you know, we are just done with releasing beta cut. So yes, it went successfully. So yes, that's it. Thank you.
Great. Congrats with that release last night. Is there any question or comment for release branch management? If not, we can continue with Emeritus Advisor with Grace. Hey, Grace.
Hi folks, so shadow survey is still out. If you are a shadow and you haven't filled it out, please take 5 minutes and do it, or I will find you. We are also at the point in the release where we should start thinking about succession. So leads, please start thinking about who you would like to pass the helm to. And if you're a shadow and you're interested in becoming your team lead, please reach out to your team lead and express interest. In a similar vein, if you are not sure where you fit in to Kubernetes open source and want to talk about, contributing to either SIG release or other SIGs, come talk to me and I will try my best to help you figure that out. But yeah, please fill out the survey.
Thanks, Grace. Is there any question for Grace? If not, we can continue with the release lead. Kat?
Howdy, y'all. So the Wednesday meeting next week is canceled because we're at KubeCon, as is tradition. Always gets canceled when it overlaps with KubeCon. Next week is when Monday burn downs start. So for this week and this week only, the Monday burn down will be async, which means I will post a thread in the SIG release channel, and y'all should post your updates by subteam in reply to that. The Friday APAC meeting will also be async while we're all at KubeCon. After next week, the Monday meeting will return to being an in-person burn down. A couple weeks after that, we start doing daily burn downs. The Tuesday and Thursday ones will always be asynchronous. So just expect that. But otherwise, if you're going to be at KubeCon, come say hi. I will be at the Contributors Summit all day on Tuesday, and otherwise we'll generally be around the conference. So if you see me, come say hi. That's all I got.
Great. See you there, Kat. I will be at KubeCon there also.
Yeah.
Say hi. Is there any question for our release lead, Kat?
Not a question, but I just also wanted to give a plug for the Kubernetes meet and greet is taking place on the Friday at 11 a.m. for the KubeCon, where many of us will also be. If you want to come say hi there, just generally to each other, all the SIGs will be generally represented. So I'm sure Kat will probably be there.
I will be there. Yep.
Awesome. Yeah, cool.
Excellent. Thanks. We can continue with the SIG scalability team. And for this, for this cycle or for this meeting, there are no status updates, so we can ask for that the next meeting. That is all. Is there any comment or question before stop the recording? If not, I will stop right now. Thanks, everyone. So I stopped the recording. Is there any other comment or question before we can end the meeting?
Just look at my cat.
Oh, what a baby. Is this the one having problems?
No, that's my other cat. She's perfect.
I really thank you for this. I needed that. Can you tell the chat your cat's name?
Oh, her name is Scorpion and her brother is Sub-Zero.
Okay, that's really important. Thank you.
That is important. Yeah.
Sub-Zero,
I've
great name.
I've met Natalie's cats in person. I'm being facetious here, but it is very important to me that everybody know the name of Natalie's cats. Thank you.
And I'm really sad now. My cat has gone somewhere for the past 5 days, and she has not
Oh,
returned back.
I'm sorry. I don't know what I would do.
Indoor cats only.
I was trying to forget that, and then I saw the cat. No,
I'm
it's getting
sorry.
hard for
I'm
me.
very sorry.
It is still recording. Sanchita is right, but it's okay to talk about cats on the recording. It's more of like what people are comfortable or not comfortable with having on YouTube. We don't have to keep it like